All right, so one of the things you might want to do is set up a charging schedule. Depending on your area, your provider, in my case PG&E, charges different rates depending on when you use the electricity. So off-peak hours are the best time to charge your car. But if you get home at 5:30, you plug your car into the wall, the car is going to instantly start charging during those peak hours, and it's going to cost you more. What you want is to find out when they start charging less, have it click on at that moment, and when they start charging more, have it click off. It's really easy to do. It's called a charging schedule. You can do it inside your Solterra app, but if you don't want to use the Solterra app, all you got to do is push the little car button right here, and we're going to go to charging schedule. And then we haven't set anything up, so now we're going to go to add, and you just set a start time. In my case, it starts at midnight or 12 a.m. and we're going to stop, hit the time, and let's make it kick off at 7 in the morning. Hit OK, and we're going to repeat it every single day of the week. See, I've selected all the days. We go to OK. So now charging has set up after I hit save. The downside of this, though, is something you need to be very, very aware of, is when you plug your car in, no matter when you plug it in, your car's not going to charge until midnight. So if you pull up to Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, any of the charging stations, and you plug your car in, your car's not going to charge. So what you have to do, we'll take you right back to is you have to go back to the car, you have to go back to the charging schedule, and you have to override the charging schedule and charge now. That way your car will charge immediately at that charger. So that's setting up a charging schedule on your Solterra.